Hey everyone, trying to connect your PS5 to hotel Wi-Fi but stuck on the login screen? Here's how to bypass it using your phone, no Ethernet or travel router needed. Turn on your PS5 and go to Settings, Network, Settings, Set up Internet Connection. Choose the hotel Wi-Fi network from the list and attempt to connect. It will fail at first, don't worry, that's expected. Your PS5 will now ask for additional authentication. Take note of the MAC address shown on the screen. On your phone, connect to the hotel Wi-Fi and complete the login through the hotel's captive portal page. Now go to the phone's settings, about device, status, and find your phone's Wi-Fi MAC address. On your PS5, go to Settings, Network, Settings, Set up Internet Connection, Options, Advanced Settings. Under MAC address, Wi-Fi, manually enter your phone's MAC address. This makes your PS5 look like your phone to the hotel network. And after that, try connecting again. Your PS5 should now authenticate and connect through the session your phone opened. And that's how you connect your PS5 to a hotel Wi-Fi by the help of your phone. Like and subscribe for more PS5 travel hacks, and let me know if you want a video on using a travel router or hotspot next. Thanks for watching.